How to send photos as document on WhatsApp with iPhone. So you may want to send the photo as document because that way it won't lose its quality or whatever. Is the reason you want to do this. I will show you how can you do this anyway. I will show you entire process that means how you can save the photo to files and then how can you send it as document to WhatsApp messages. Without wasting your time anymore, let us start first by opening your gallery app. Why gallery? Because we need to convert images to documents. So when you did this, select and choose which photos you want to turn to files. You can select multiple if you want. Once you did that, tap on this box and arrow icon in bottom left corner. This will open you and pop up with images and options what you can do with them. From this copy photos list, scroll a bit down until you see Save to Files option. Tap it, and now it will open a new page which will ask you, where do you want to save this files? Default location would be on my iPhone, but you can choose wherever you want to save them by tapping on this Browse button, and then see what location suits you best. I choose some random, just for the purpose of this video. Okay, so now photos are saved as document. From here we will go to WhatsApp application, and you will have to go and chat with that person you want to send documents. When you are in the chat, tap on this plus icon in bottom left corner. Pop-up will show you few options. You will tap on document and now it will tell you to choose document between two options. You will tap on first one that says choose from files. Now new page will open. Just as when we were saving photos earlier, you will have to find the location of your photos. When you did, just select them and then hit this blue open button. After that, an image preview will show you can ignore this and just tap on send button which is in top right corner. Now you can see the images are sending. I won't send them because this is some random number I have. When the loading finish, they will be shown as sent, and other user can now view, download, and use them in any way he wants, and you are finished. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.